Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play a Champions League or UCL in this EA Mobile 24 EL Sports Mobile 24. So this is a new brand or brand new of FIFA. So this is the FC Mobile. So there are campaign and also this one Champions League. So you can play this UEFA Champions League by tapping play button and go to the live events or tournament. I mean this one Champions League tournament, 60 days expired. Tap it, and I already choose this team, this Manchester United, or you can change your team before this season start. Before this game start, I choose Manchester United. So you can also get this reward, a champions token or UCL token. And I'm start with the amateur difficulty, so you have to play step by step. Maybe you can start with amateur and you can unlock legendary by complete in world class difficult, and you can earn this first time win guarantee reward UCL token that you can exchange in the store. Let's go to the store, go to the live event, and this one you can change your token, UCL token with this legendary player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.